Mr. Speaker, sir, I thank the member, Honorable Tidolo, for this question. Yeah, training is an important part of successful cooperative. It gives members the skills and confidence to manage the enterprise as well and to work together effectively for the benefit of their communities or their members. So the Department of Cooperatives has expanded its mobile and community-based training programs, taking learning directly to villagers and techinas across all divisions. Since early 2024, they have held over 81 training sessions, reaching more than 1,800 participants. And these programs include cooperative awareness, start and improve your own business, and financial prudence. They focus on governance, entrepreneurship, and accountability at the grassroots level where it's needed most. Training in communities has many benefits. It saves cost, increases participation, and allows content to be tailor-made to local needs. Participants can immediately apply what they learn, strengthen their cooperatives, and improve local livelihoods. Mr. Speaker, sir, to strengthen the effort, the government is investing in the renovation of the Cooperative College in Lami with an allocation of around 225,000 this financial year. A 5-year renovation plan is being developed with the Ministry of Public Works to transform the college into a modern center for cooperative learning. Currently, Fiji has 837 registered cooperatives across 15 business sectors. Most of our trainings, or their training so far, is focused on short courses for participation only. But the next step is to provide accredited qualification in cooperative management. So the vision for the Cooperative College is to become a fully accredited training institution recognized by the Fiji Higher Education Commission. So we are working with the relevant stakeholders to finalize and accredit both the institution and its curriculum. The plan is to introduce a structured training pathway from level 1 and 2 certificates in cooperative management to be offered at the Ronimbotta Cooperative Training College, and level 3 and 4 diplomas and degree programs to be offered through partnership with local and international universities. This will use a hybrid learning models, combining classroom and online training to make education more flexible and accessible to our rural areas as well. This college will play a key role in empowering youth and women to take part in cooperative enterprises and small business ventures. By getting accredited qualification, they can become professional cooperative managers and entrepreneurs, contributing to economic growth in their communities, villages, techinas, and the provinces. Modern technology will be central to this vision, Honorable Speaker. Digital tools such as online learning, mobile banking, and e-commerce platforms will help cooperatives improve management, marketing, and financial transparency. This will connect rural cooperatives to wider markets and opportunities both locally and regionally. The Cooperative College will not only serve Fiji, but also become a regional hub for cooperative education, knowledge sharing, and innovation across the Pacific. It will position Fiji as a leader in cooperative development and strengthen our regional partnership. In conclusion, Mr. Speaker, sir, the Cooperative College is the key to the future of the cooperative movement in Fiji. It links education, technology, youth and women to create strong, modern, and inclusive cooperatives. Through this initiative, we are investing not only in individual learning, but also in the collective progress and resilience of our national cooperative sector. Nagwaliw, Mr. Speaker, sir.